Hello and welcome to Selection with Sathi. Today we will learn about first-class functions in Python, how functions are objects, higher-order functions, lambda, callable objects, and parameter kinds. This is a fundamental concept that powers decorators, callbacks, and functional programming. In Python, functions are first-class objects. This means they have a type of lay returns built-in _ function. You can assign a function to a variable, f equals abs, then f of -5 gives 5. Functions have attributes like __name _ for the function name and __doc_ for the docstring. You can even store functions in lists and dictionaries. A higher-order function takes a function as an argument or returns one. Sorted with key equals lay sorts a list of words by their length. Map applies a function to every element in an iterable. Filter keeps only elements where the function returns true. These are the building blocks of functional programming in Python. Lambda creates an anonymous function in a single expression. Syntax: lambda parameters : expression. Its syntactic sugar, lambda x plus 1 is the same as a one-line definite. Lambdas are best for short callbacks, like sorted key equals lambda x bracket 1. But avoid complex lambdas. If it needs multiple lines, write a proper named function. The __call__ method makes any object callable with parentheses syntax. If a class defines __call__, its instances can be used like functions. Callable of an object returns true if it has __call__. This is useful for stateful functions, an object that remembers previous calls, like a counter that increments each time you call it. Python 3.8 introduced positional-only parameters using the / syntax. Parameters before the / must be passed by position, not by name. Parameters after the * must be keyword only. You must use name equals value. Between / and *, parameters can be either positional or keyword. This gives API designers fine control over how functions are called.
Passing functions as arguments. Fruits is a list of strings: apple, fig, cherry, banana. Sorted fruits, key equals lay passes the lay function directly. Python calls lay on each fruit and sorts by the result. Fig has 3 letters, so it comes first, then apple, cherry, banana. Computing factorial with functools.reduce. Import reduce from functools and mul from operator. Reduce mul, range 1 to 6 multiplies 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. The result is 120. Operator.mul is cleaner than writing lambda x, y, x times y. The operator module provides function equivalence of Python operators. ItemGetter1 creates a function that extracts index 1 from a tuple. Sorted data, key equals ItemGetter1 sorts by the second element. This is cleaner and faster than lambda x bracket 1. ItemGetter works the same way but for object attributes. functools.partial creates a new function by freezing some arguments. Double equals partial of mul comma 2 creates a function that always multiplies by 2. Double of 5 calls mul 2, 5 and returns 10. Partial is very useful for creating specialized versions of generic functions.
Key tips to remember. Functions are first-class objects, pass, return, and store them anywhere. Use the operator module instead of simple lambdas for common operations. functools.partial freezes arguments to create specialized functions. Keep lambdas simple. If it needs more than one expression, use a named definite. For more concept videos like this, download the Selection with Sathi app. Like and subscribe. Thank you.